Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an ActiveCampaign birthday automation. This is a fantastic way to build stronger relationships with your contacts by automatically sending them personalized birthday messages, making them feel valued and appreciated. First, head over to ActiveCampaign.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to set up the foundation for your birthday automation. On the left side menu, click on Contacts, then click on Fields. This section is where you'll manage all the custom fields for your contact database. Here, we need to create a specific field to store your contact's birthday information. Click Add Field to create a new custom field. In the field name box, type birthday. Then for the field type, select date from the drop-down menu. This ensures that ActiveCampaign recognizes the information as a date, which is crucial for triggering automations based on specific days. Once you've done that, click Save to create your birthday field. Now that your birthday field is set up, it's time to build the automation itself. On the left side menu, click Automation. This is where you'll create workflows that automatically perform actions based on triggers you define. Click Create an Automation and select Start from Scratch. This gives you complete control over how your automation functions. You'll be prompted to name your automation, so give it a clear, descriptive name like Birthday Automation. Next, you need to select a trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. Click Date-based as your trigger type. Now select your birthday field by clicking Select a Date field and choose Birthday from the list. This tells ActiveCampaign to monitor this specific field for triggering the automation. Under the condition settings, select when month and day match conditions. This ensures the automation triggers every year on the contact's birthday, not just once. Click Save to lock in your trigger settings. Next, click the plus button below the trigger to add an action from the options that appear. Click Sending Options. This is where you'll define what happens when someone's birthday arrives. Click Send an Email to set up your birthday message. You'll see an option to select an existing email or create a new one. Click Create an Email, then name your email something like Happy Birthday Email, and click Create. This will open the email editor where you can design a warm, personalized birthday message for your contacts. Once your email is created and designed, head to the upper right corner and click Active to activate your automation. This sets everything live, and your contacts will now automatically receive birthday emails when their special day arrives. And that's it. You've successfully created a birthday automation in ActiveCampaign that will help you connect with your contacts in a meaningful way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.